Okay, today we are terminating coax, or you could say making cable ends, but the technical term is terminating coax. Here are the materials you'll need: crimpers, cutters, strippers. It's just another set of crimpers, a little bit more versatile than these here. Real simple. Got you some coax here. That's RG11. Take your stripper tool. If it's one like this, make sure it's set on the RG11 side. If that's what you're terminating, we're gonna go ahead and mine are kind of dull, so I have to twist it a few times here to make sure. Let's try that again. I think that's about ready. All right. Make sure you get you some good tools here. I need to re-up on mine. But this should only take a second here in one process. I just did a lot of work there. Okay. So now what you have is a cable that looks like this. Most of them look like this. I'm going to make sure we get all this braiding off here. So I'll just take my finger. I don't know if you guys can see that. See that little metal braiding right there. I want to make sure we peel all that back. We don't want any of this to touch the copper point there. All right, I think that's about ready to go. Now we're gonna get ourselves some connectors. You can get ones that look like this. They can look like this here. But the ones I'm using now look like this here. One moment here. All right. So we're just going to put that guy on. Here, let's see if we can get a good view right in there. You see that? All right. Just gonna slide it on real simple there. Sometimes you got to give it a little twist, but it should just kind of slip right on with a little bit of pressure. Now, this white portion that you see down in there, let me see if I can get it to focus. You want it to be flush with the metal right there. So actually we're gonna scoot this back just a little bit so that it's really completely flush. So that's about what I want right there. If you can see that. It's pretty flush there. All right. So the reason I have two set of crimpers is because with these particular connectors, I need to use these because they don't fit in the other ones. So I'll crimp that baby on down. Boop. Make sure it's crimped fully. And I have just terminated a cable end. Really simple to do. So there you have it. Like and share this video. Subscribe if you got some value from it.